Hi, welcome to WP Blog. Today we're going to learn how you can reset your WordPress website using the free WP Reset plugin. So the first step is go to Plugins, click on Add New and type WP Reset. Install and activate the plugin. Once you have activated the plugin, go to Tools. There you will see a new option by the name of WP Reset. Click on the WP Reset option and you will see a warning that states what will happen if you reset your WordPress website. If you scroll down this page, you will see the Reset Site option along with 3 other checkboxes. You should notice that I have only selected the Reactivate WP Reset plugin checkbox. This means that when I reset my WordPress website, all other plugins will be deleted except for the WP Reset plugin. To reset your WordPress website, just type in reset and click on the Reset Site option. After a few seconds, your WordPress website will be resetted. To check whether the reset process is successful or not, go to Pages, and there you will see that all your pages have been deleted. You can also go to Posts. You can go to Themes. You can also see your plugins. You will notice that only the WP Reset plugin is remaining along with 2 other default plugins. Now that we have resetted our WordPress website, let's see what other options WP Reset plugin offers. Through the WP Reset plugin, you can delete your transients. You can clean your uploads folder, which will mean that all the files and folders in your upload folder will be deleted. You can reset your theme options. You can even delete your themes. You can delete your plugins except for the WP Reset plugin. You can empty or delete custom tables. You can also delete your htaccess file. Now let's check one of its features, Delete plugin. You can do that by just a click of a button. To see whether the plugins are deleted or not, go to Plugins, and there you will see that only the WP Reset plugin is remaining. So that's it from this tutorial. For more videos, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.